Good evening everyone. So today on these occasions of Savitribai Phule birthday, our B.Ed college, Sri Murugarajendra Swamiji B.Ed college, which runs under Reshmi group of institution, we have taken a drive and initiative regarding eco-friendliness. Today, this occasion we have marked in association with municipal corporation and with the cooperation of IAS officer, the dynamic person of municipal corporation, Snehal Lokhande sir, who has enlightened us regarding the promotions of vermicomposite that we are promoting almost more than from 2 years in our college, which we have developed a pit, composite pit, and that manure will be used for our campus trees and plants only. And I have to extend warm regards to sir as well as my staff members and students who cooperate us. Like daily they bring the wastage of plants and fruits and all. So we have created a composite and that will be turned into a manure. And with the slogan, we have taken a drive that to stop using chemical fertilizer and start using organic manure, which is good for our health. And we are doing our campus eco-friendly campus and the best practicing in our schools. Thank you one and all.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸೊ ರೇಷ್ಮಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಾರಿಟಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಒಕ್ಕೂಟ ಕಲಬುರಗಿಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಂಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಟ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅವರು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ the Sri Shakti Okkutu and Reshmi Education and Charitable Trust for conducting this program, because compost pit awareness is very much important in our city, where around 40% of the waste which is generated in the city is wet waste. So this wet waste does not need to be given to the corporation labor vehicles or the corporation labor, and does not need to go to the landfill site. This composting, this waste you can easily use it for your compost in your home itself, and you can make a good quality fertilizer for your plants and for other things. So these compost pit will be very much useful for reducing the waste generation in the city, and also it will be very useful for your household uses. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಅಮಂಗ್ ದ ಲೇಡೀಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಗಳು. So all mothers should definitely and should specially know about this. So I am very happy that the Reshmi Education Charitable Trust, which is and the Sri Shakti Okkutu, which is a woman-oriented organization, they have taken up this task. And I hope that through this program and through many other programs, each and every household and each and every mother of each and every household will be able to make a compost pit in their home, and they would grow fertilizer, and in fact it can also lead to a business opportunities for the ladies, for the family members, and it will be a very good initiative from you all. So I wish you best of luck, and I hope that in the future also you will be doing these kind of programs and make Kalburgi a more cleaner, more greener and more swachh city. Thank you very much.
And thank you sir. On behalf of our college, Reshmi Education Charitable Trust, you have given us the opportunity to create an awareness regarding the eco-friendly campus, what we have done in our college. And ours is the only one college that has been NAC accredited by the NAC. It's a B grade. And amongst the 62 B.Ed college, we are trying our level best to give the eco-friendly campus and to create awareness among the students as well as with the civilians of the Gulbarga. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
What do you mean by organic waste? Organic waste ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Organic waste मतलब क्या? Any waste which is biodegradable. Waste is nothing but what unwanted impurities which is not economic value. Any unwanted impurities को हम क्या बोलते हैं? उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? That is waste. So waste has been classified into what? 3 types: solid, liquid and gaseous. Solid waste में हमारा organic waste आता है, that is what biodegradable. Organic matter, any organic matter which comes from outside sources. Organic or biodegradable waste can be found in a municipal solid waste. We have a corporation municipal solid waste, sometimes called biodegradable municipal waste or green waste. Green waste is nothing but coming from the household, that is vegetables. Food waste, food हम खा पी कर हम क्या waste करते हैं, that is what food waste. Paper waste and biodegradable plastics. Organic or biodegradable waste include human waste, manure, sewage sludge and structural house waste. In absence of oxygen, much of this waste will decay in ethane by anaerobic digestion. What is compost? What do you mean by compost? Compost is nothing but any waste which comes from plants and animals. We call as composite. Composite is an organic substitute matter produced by social microbes, activity on the organic matter. It is a natural marginal manner, it can be used as a nutrient sources such as mulch. It can be a nutrient. For example, green waste, we have carbon. We'll get about carbon, high rich of nutrients in the green vegetables. Next slide. It's bigger your garden? Yes. Composting is a nature's process of recycling both living biotic and abiotic. That is what? Living and non-living material to the fertilizers to the soil. It is a main what component to the fertilizer to the soil. That is a compost. In the green waste, we have nitrogen. In the brown waste, sources can be used in a pit method. For example, we have agriculture waste. In the agriculture waste, what we use? Shagni use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು dung, straw, maize and waste. In the industrial waste, from the industrial waste, what it will come? It will come as paper, cardboard. And in the domestic waste, vegetables, eggshells and fruits. What to use and what not to use? This agriculture waste, industrial waste and domestic waste, which we will use in a compost. And what we will not, क्या use नहीं करने का, क्या use करने का हम ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಾರದು. Not to use, that is plastic material. We cannot use plastic materials in the compost.